Hello, I'm Leo, and today I'm going to be telling you guys all about the OSI model.
Yay!
The Open Systems Interconnection Model, OSI model for short, is a way to describe and organize networks and other network applications. It's composed of 7 layers: application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical. Need help remembering that? Try this. All people seem to need data processing. Short, simple, easy. Let's look at these layers individually to see what they do. At the bottom, we have Layer 1, the physical layer. At this layer is hardware such as cables and NIC cards. The main purpose of this layer is to set standards for sending and receiving electrical signals between devices. Any of the data sent on this layer are called bits. The next layer is the data link layer. This layer defines the rules and procedures for hosts for when they access the physical layer. This layer has 2 sublayers, the logical link control, or LLC, and the media access control, MAC, or MAC. The LLC provides flow control, acknowledgement, and error notifications. The MAC layer determines who is allowed to access the media on the network at any given time. Usually hubs and switches operate at this level. Any data on this is known as a frame. The network layer describes how data is routed across networks. This is the layer where logical addresses get translated into their physical addresses so that they can be properly accessed. Here's where your logical protocols, routing, and addressings are handled. This is where routers do all of their work. Data on this layer are called packets. The transport layer is where the data is actually sent on the network. It handles end-to-end flow control, the port and socket numbers that are assigned to different protocols, and segmentation, sequencing, and combination. Any data sent on this layer are called segments. The session layer establishes, maintains, and ends communication with the receiving devices. It also assigns different session IDs to machines to control traffic flow. The presentation layer formats data into a compatible form to be received by the application layer or the destination system. To do this, it encapsulates the data into message envelopes by encrypting and compressing to send the data, and decompresses and restores data when it's received. The application layer is the final layer of our OSI cake. This is what we see whenever we try to access files across the network or read a message. It interfaces with the operating system and other applications to get the whole process started. You sleep yet? Let's see how much of this you learned. Mr. Bubbles will quiz you guys. And that's about it. Now if you excuse me, I have an entire race of humanoid Twinkies to save. Onward!